So our friend's been talking so much about this Southern Hops Brewery that we had to come check it out. We're going to find out how new they are and just exactly what's going on in here. So let's go see what the rave is all about. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're once again down here in beautiful Murrells Inlet, South Carolina, at the Southern Hops Brewery. You guys know how I love to absolutely sit outside, but it's extremely hot today. It's probably 98, but it feels like 103. So we sat in this beautiful place right out here by the door. It is a beautiful atmosphere.
Okay, so right here, these are the items that they make here. These are what they don't make. They come in like cans, and they even have non-alcoholic items right here.
That's pretty cool. And they also have a full bar with wine, Pinot Grigio, any kind of liquor that you would like. So I think I'm going to go with the usual vodka and water. And what you going to try, Beatbox?
I'm going to try one of their beers that they make in-house.
There you go.
So is that the orange?
That's it.
All right.
Tastes just like a creamsicle.
Creamsicle vodka.
That's right.
Imagine that.
She said the vodka that I got was made from just local around here from Georgetown, from people in Georgetown.
So every Thursday they have a brewery tour from the grain to the glass here at the Southern Hops at 3:30. All right, the Southern Hops Brewing Company, soup and salads, sandwiches, specialty burgers, sides, have appetizers, specialty pizzas, and you can build your own pizza or calzone. How about that?
So I decided to go with the chicken salad plate. It has homemade recipe with locals chicken breast and pita, with seasonal fruit on mixed greens. Yummy. Take a look at that.
And I decided to go with the Imperial, which is a regular sized pizza. It's got red sauce, pepperoni, Italian sausage, ham, onions, green peppers, mushrooms, black olives, and mozzarella.
Give me some.
So we parked on one side, way over there, but they do have additional parking over here on the other side. A great little fire pit. Have your friends sit around and drink a few cold ones. Have a good time.
Well, there you have it. That was a look at Southern hops right down here in Murrells Inlet. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so you too can keep beaching. You'll meet some cool people down here in Murrells Inlet.